The signs of the zodiac have fascinated and intrigued people for centuries, providing insights into personality traits and tendencies based on one's date of birth. The signs are a popular way to understand the personalities and traits of individuals born within certain time frames. However, the signs of the zodiac are not just random categories. They are divided into elements, each with its own unique characteristics and associations. Are divided into 4 elements: fire, earth, air, and water. Each element is associated with certain characteristics and traits, and understanding these can provide deeper insights into the zodiac signs and their corresponding personalities. Understanding these elements and their traits can offer deeper insights into the zodiac signs and how they relate to the world around us. In this video, we will explore the 4 elements of the zodiac signs and how they shape personalities and behaviors. By understanding the elements and their associated traits, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of themselves and those around them. Whether you believe in astrology or not, the signs of the zodiac continue to fascinate and intrigue people all over the world. But why are they divided into 4 elements? The concept of dividing the zodiac signs into 4 elements is an important aspect of astrology. These elements, namely fire, earth, air, and water, are believed to represent the fundamental energies that make up the universe. Each element is associated with certain personality traits and characteristics, which can help individuals gain a deeper understanding of their own nature and the world around them. Fire signs are often drawn to careers in the arts, entertainment, and sports, where they can express their bold personalities and natural charisma. Earth signs are often drawn to careers in finance, engineering, and other fields that require attention to detail and a steady hand. Air signs are often drawn to careers in technology, journalism, and other fields that require creativity and adaptability. Water signs are often drawn to careers in counseling, psychology, and the arts, where they can use their natural emotional intelligence to help others. By understanding the elements that correspond with each zodiac sign, individuals can gain insight into their own strengths and weaknesses. They can also better understand the people around them, which can help them form more meaningful relationships and build stronger connections. While the concept of the 4 elements may seem simplistic, it is an important aspect of astrology that has been used for centuries to help individuals better understand themselves and the world around them. The 3 fire signs are Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Fire signs are associated with passion, energy, and enthusiasm. These signs are often the life of the party, and they are not afraid to take risks or pursue their passions. Fire signs tend to be spontaneous and confident, and they thrive on adventure and excitement. They have a strong sense of self and are not afraid to take risks or pursue their passions. Fire signs are often the life of the party, and they thrive on adventure and excitement. They are also known for their strong will and determination, and they are not easily deterred from achieving their goals. However, fire signs can also be impulsive and sometimes aggressive in pursuit of their desires. They may struggle with controlling their emotions and may sometimes act before thinking things through. It is important for fire signs to find a balance between their fiery passion and their rational mind in order to achieve success without compromising their relationships or well-being. The 3 earth signs are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Earth signs are associated with stability, practicality, and reliability. These signs are often very grounded and practical, and they prefer to take a more rational and logical approach to life. Earth signs are also known for their loyalty and dependability, and they are often the ones who keep things running smoothly. They have a strong sense of responsibility and are known for their hard work and perseverance. Earth signs are also known for their loyalty and dependability, and they are often the ones who keep things running smoothly. However, Earth signs can sometimes be too rigid or inflexible in their ways. They may struggle with adapting to new situations or taking risks, as they prefer to stick to what they know. It is important for Earth signs to find a balance between their practicality and their creativity in order to achieve success while still being open to new experiences. The three air signs are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Air signs are associated with intellect, communication, and socializing. These signs tend to be highly intellectual and enjoy deep conversations and debates. Air signs are also known for their ability to adapt and change, and they thrive on socializing and networking. Individuals born under air signs tend to be highly intellectual and enjoy deep conversations and debates. They are also highly social and thrive on networking and socializing with others. Air signs are known for their adaptability and flexibility, and they are quick to embrace change and new ideas. However, air signs can sometimes struggle with being too detached or emotionally distant. They may prioritize logic over emotions, which can sometimes lead to misunderstandings or conflicts with others. It is important for air signs to find a balance between their intellect and their emotions in order to form deeper connections with others and achieve success in both their personal and professional lives. The three water signs are Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Water signs are associated with emotions, intuition, and sensitivity. These signs tend to be highly emotional and empathetic, and they have a deep connection to their emotions. Water signs are also known for their intuition and psychic abilities, and they tend to be highly creative and artistic. Individuals born under water signs tend to be highly empathetic and in tune with their emotions. They are also highly creative and artistic, often finding inspiration in their emotions and experiences. Water signs are known for their intuition and psychic abilities, and they tend to be highly perceptive of the emotions of those around them. However, water signs can sometimes struggle with being too emotional or moody. They may be easily affected by the emotions of others or struggle with boundaries in relationships. It is important for water signs to find a balance between their emotional sensitivity and their rational mind in order to navigate relationships and achieve success without being overwhelmed by their emotions. In conclusion, the signs of the zodiac are divided into 4 elements, each with its unique set of characteristics and associations. Whether you believe in astrology or not, understanding the elements and their associated traits can offer valuable insights into our own personalities and the personalities of those around us. Ultimately, the signs of the zodiac offer a unique way of exploring the complexities of human nature, and their enduring popularity is a testament to their enduring relevance and appeal. The elements of fire, earth, air, and water provide deeper insights into the personalities and traits of the zodiac signs. Each element is associated with unique characteristics and strengths, as well as potential challenges and areas for growth. By understanding the elements and their associated traits, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of themselves and those around them, leading to more fulfilling relationships and greater personal success. By examining the zodiac signs through the lens of these elements, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us.